Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday. So hit that like and subscribe button while you're here if you enjoy what you see. Today we're going to be doing an opening of a box. Of course, I never expect because this is a quarterly box from Walmart. It is the Walmart, you don't tell me, Walmart Beauty. This is the Walmart Beauty box. It is a quarterly box and it is $20 for the entire year. That includes shipping and handling, $20. So if you want to break that down, that's $5 a box. So everything that's within here, I paid $5 for. Came to my door, pretty nice. Let's open it and see what I got. The box is pretty much always the same size, same box, almost the same color. Let's see what we got. Okay, right off, not much I am familiar with, but we'll dig into that. The box typically comes with this cute little card pamphlet doodle, and it says on the front here, Walmart Beauty, hashtag Walmart Beauty box. So if you review it, you see it, you want to look up reviews, look for the hashtag. Pretty helpful. On the inside, it gives you a little rundown of all the products you could receive in there, in here, there, here, you know what I mean. So quite a bit of choices that you can receive, anything from CETAPHIL, LISTERINE, SUAVE, Wet n Wild, Revlon, NYX, Almay, John Frieda. Pretty cute. On the back of this, there's usually like a little ad, and of course, I'm not wrong, shows you go online to the Walmart website, walmart.com/beauty. Yeah. And then you can see everything that's new for, in this case, summer, because we're in spring and we're hopping into summer here during June, which is like so exciting if you live in Arizona. But there it is. There you have it. And then, of course, down here, a CETAPHIL ad. Take a look at it. I love that stuff for my skin, my face particularly. When we go out in the sun, I like their, what is it, the sunscreen lotion thing? Whatever it is. I love it. It's great stuff. Let's move along to the box. So this is kind of like an overview, and I want to pull this out because you're the biggest, and it's something from NYX. It is the Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Radiant Perfecting. Oh, it's a primer. Cool. I don't think, was that on here? It was. How much are you? 1 ounce? 1 ounce. 1 ounce? 1. So based off of what's in here, and I'm definitely going to be fact checking this as soon as we're done with this video, this is a full-size item that retails for $14. So right off the bat, super happy that I paid $5 for this whole box, and I got a full-size item for $14. And I want to take a look at what's inside. Let me see. That's a pretty normal size for a primer. Anyway, I don't think I've used a lot of NYX. The only items I've tried is what I'm getting in my Walmart Beauty. The only items that I've tried from NYX are what I'm getting in my Walmart Beauty. So it's helping me kind of explore different brands, and I really do love that. I like when different subscription boxes I have help me do that. Otherwise, how am I gonna know? Am I supposed to take someone's word for it? A lot of times yes, some of the times no. So I may never know. But I do enjoy trying things myself. Another item here that I'm pulling out, it's from the Dollar Shave Club Shave Butter. Translucent for precision, made for sensitive skin. Huh, okay, cute. You're not a full size. Pretty cute. What do you smell like? Are you for me? The man? Oh, I can smell the manly smell through the little seal on the top. That's for my mans. It's for the mans. Cute. What else? Oh! This is like a double? No, you're individual because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's a because I think, and I'm gonna post the details down below, so go ahead and fact check me below. CETAPHIL the box comes with 5 items, and so far I have 2. There's 2 more in the box, and there's 2 in my hand. So I'm assuming these 2 are like a one together kind of thing. Does that make sense? That's what I'm thinking. Because you have here the CETAPHIL Extra Gentle Daily Scrub and the CETAPHIL Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 50. I think the one I have is SPF 30. So SPF 50 is pretty cool, especially for my face, because that's where all these things go to, is my face. Yay, that's pretty cool. And it gives me like a little rundown of the stuff that's in here for the CETAPHIL. Yay! Thank you. And then this big one, which I think is really cute. It is from SUAVE. I don't know how well you can see it. It's really pretty. As far as the packaging goes, it's new SUAVE Pink Smooth Performer sulfate-free shampoo with amino acid complex, only at Walmart. Tiniest little bottles too. Oh my gosh. They're not bottles, just as a heads up, if I can open this. So these are little packages that you're gonna break apart, and then this part right here you snap off and squeeze it out. But the front, which BT dubs great advertising, SUAVE throwing it out there, makes it look like a little bottle that you're getting. Okay, I see you. That's not bad. So what's different from you to the rest of them? Works double time to help strengthen the inside of your hair while protecting the outside from everyday breakage. Fights frizz, softens, detangles, cleanses, tames, smooths, shining. Okay, I might try you. I don't know what the hell smooth performer means, but I guess that's just the title for this line from SUAVE is Smooth Performer, but okay, I'll try it. You have cleanse, condition, style. So just probably not enough for my hair, but still pretty nice. Thanks for the little trial sample. So a little like sneak peek of things to come or that have already come. That's cool. And then last, they're chewable tablets from Listerine. They're ready tabs. Oh, 0 alcohol. I was about to say I have to use the specific Listerine without the alcohol in it because it burns the inside of my mouth so bad. I can't do it. Boo does it just fine. Me, like, I'm a delicate little flower. I can't do it. But these are pretty cool. Chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. I wonder how many is there? 8? That's pretty neat. I'm not gonna lie. I wonder how that works. Do you swallow it? Do you spit it out? Do you chew, swish, swallow? I'm not going to comment on that for reasons we all know. These are all the items that came in my Walmart beauty box. And for me, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm pretty sure it's just 5 a month. So we'll have to see. I'll fact check myself. And you can check down below because I know I'm going to put it there. I always do. I'm so good at that. Thank you, editing me. I'm going to go now so I can read a little bit more into these. I'm gonna find out some more facts, so I'm gonna go now. I will catch you next time. Remember, Thursday and Sunday. Bye.